guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy, where your home of healthy recipes. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe from this recipe book that came with this Bosch blender, like I promised in the product review video that I made for this blender. I said I am going to share some of the recipes in the recipe book with you. So I'm going for this one, and they call it ginger defense. So luckily I'm having all the ingredients at home, so that's why I'm going for it at this moment. So all I need is my Swiss chard. It's already cleansed and taken care of. I'm going to need one mango and also fresh ginger. So at this point I want to prepare my mango for the smoothie. So I'm going to make sure that I cut them into blendable sizes to make things easier for me, because I can't put it in just like that, of course. So then, but guys, you know one thing, I really find it fun when I use my potato peeler to peel off my mango peels, because it makes everything so easier. Yeah, and I don't have to lose any part of my mango. So the next ingredient that I am going to take care of is my fresh ginger. Okay, I'm not going to peel off. So if you want to try this recipe, you can choose to peel off or not, but I have washed everything, so I want to add everything together. Yes. So then the next thing is to get them to blend. So I'm going to put all my ingredients into my blender, and note that you are going to use only water. So I have my water, I have my ice cubes, but one thing or two things I'm going to change over here is that I am going to add nuts, and I am going for cashew nuts. I love cashew nuts. It makes my smoothies creamy, so I love them so much. And I'm going to add a little bit of chia seeds, and yeah, just a little bit. Then the next thing I want to do is just to add some ice cubes. Yes, they said I should add ice cubes, and this is one of the things that I like about this blender. I can add ice cubes at any point that I want. So but with my Ninja blender, the instruction says no ice cubes in the blender, and I respect that. I don't want to spoil my blender in any way or get any scratches in them. So because for me it's really puts me off when I see the blender with scratches. It's like, I don't like it. So yeah, then after I'm going to add water to it, and then that is all. The next step on this recipe is the biggest step. I mean the final step, okay, to get my smoothie done. And okay, so in the book they are asking me or anybody with the book to use smoothie program. Of course, this is a smoothie and you need a smoothie program. I think this takes about 1 minute to get it blend or get it ready for you. So yeah, you don't have to stress. And yeah, so this is it, smoothie program. That's what I chose. And that is that. So after the blend, all you need to do, get your straw and enjoy. So this is the end product, and trust me, it's really got it blended. I mean, it's smooth. Okay, it's very smooth, like you see it. It's creamy and I love it. Hope you try this at home. Until I come your way again next time, be safe, be good, and get enough sleep. So it's bye bye.